Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video and this one is going to be a bag unboxing. Now I did get this for my birthday. It was my present to myself and I have been waiting for this for such a long time. I saved up for it and I found this. It's not brand new. It was pre-loved. It is secondhand on the secondhand market and I always get my things from exactly the same person, Jan, and she's so good. She has her own shop in Scotland and I've never been disappointed with anything that I've purchased from her anyway. So everything I have is in this massive box here. It is huge and obviously I have it on the other side because all my address and everything is on the other side, so I don't want you guys to see where I live. Also, if you have noticed that the video lighting is a little bit different, it's because I'm letting in some natural lighting and I've just got a ring light on because I did put all of my lighting away last week and I just couldn't be bothered to get everything out, and I just wanted to film this video so I can get it up so you can see exactly what I got. So if you guys didn't know, it was my birthday in January. I turned 30 and this is something that I pretty much wanted to buy myself for my 30th birthday anyway, and I am so excited. This is a complete unboxing, so I don't know how it's going to look. I obviously have seen the photos and things like that, so I know exactly what I purchased, but I haven't seen it in person, and that is really exciting. Also, it's a bit nerve-wracking as well because it is second-hand, you don't really know what it's going to look like until you receive it. Now, I've purchased two actually second-hand items and they've actually been really good. I've been actually blown away with how they look. One of them is incredible and it's really old as well. That's a vintage piece, and the other one is not as good as the other one, but that's still vintage and it is still really good. So anyway, I'm going to unbox this and I'll show you exactly what I got. So it was shipped in this massive box right here. It also has fragile on the front as well, but I don't really want to show you everything because I don't want you to see exactly where I live. And it came so quickly. Everything that Jan sends me, I order it and then within 2 days I usually receive it. This is also special delivery as well, so it is super quick. She also does free delivery if you do live in the UK because she does live in Scotland, so it's easier for her to send everything over to you. But if you do live worldwide or anywhere else other than the UK, then you do have to pay postage. I don't know how much it is, but all you have to do is just ask her and she'll let you know. So it's packaged all nicely in this maroon tissue paper, and she always makes sure that everything is nicely wrapped as well whenever I've ordered anything. She just has the little sticker as well to say thank you on there, if you can see. And let's see what I have. So it's all wrapped up in bubble wrap as well. Oh, so she's given me a little bag charm as well to go on it. Oh, this is so cute. So she's given a little surprise with a little bag charm. So lovely. So that's going to be placed on it. And this is the bag that I have. And it actually looks better than the photos. And I am so excited for this. So let me just have a quick look first of all. Make sure there's no issues. No, it all looks good. Wow. Yeah, this looks so much better than I thought it would look from the photos. So let me just open it up a bit more and then I can show you what I got. So this is what I got, and it's a Speedy 30. And this looks so nice. This is vintage and it's also made in the USA. And the thing about this is it was actually done on my birthday. So it was made in 1993, which is why I wanted to get one of these, because it's so hard to try and find a vintage purse that is specifically your year. I do have one that's 1991. I also have one that I think is like 98 or 99, I can't remember, but this looks so much better than it did on the photos. I'm hoping that you can see in this lighting because it is quite dark because it keeps going in and out, but look at that. This is so nice, and this is a 30-year-old bag as well because this was 1993. I've just given it a little bit of a look over just so I can see if there are any issues with it at all, but like I said, this looks like it's in such good condition for 30 years old. It's a really nice vintage piece. Obviously, I do have that the zipper pull doesn't have the little tab on it, but you can just get that from Louis Vuitton Fix. It's either free or it's not much money at all, so I can just get that sorted anyway, and it's just a little tab. So it's not as if it's the actual zipper that it makes an issue with. And like I said, it's made in the USA as well, and with all vintage ones, this bit tends to flick up anyway, so there's no issue. But this is so vibrant, the imprint on here, so you can properly see it. With my other one from 91, you can't really see any of this in here. I know that it's from France, but it is is hard to make out. And then on here, this side looks really good as well. And then the handles look really good for the age. Now my other one, the handles, they are very, very dark and it looks very different. The fact that that's 2 years older than this one, and there's so much difference. So with my other one, the canvas is a lot darker, whereas this is pretty light. Like you can really see that this has really been taken care of. Then also with round here, with all the straps, the patina it's really nice. It's like a honey, and then obviously you have the odd little mark on there, but it's vintage. I just really like the way that these look, because with vintage pieces, they look so nice as well. They last a very long time, and then also the canvas is much thicker, and I just feel like that they are more weighty. Now I do have Speedy Bandolier from, I think it's 2018. I think that's when I bought it, and it's really good. It is a Demi-Era Bean one, but the only difference is that it does feel a lot lighter than this. This feels quite weighty. This is very heavy, and yeah, it's incredible because there's no smells, there's no stains on the inside, the pocket is perfect, there's no peeling in there. I just really like the patina as well. It's really nice. It's, like I said, it's like a honey patina, and it just looks so nice. Now obviously you can see that it has darkened a little bit right up here, so where you can see where the little clasps go on. And then also some of the hardware is darkened as well, but you can just polish that up anyway. I haven't done it myself, but I have seen loads of videos, so you can just polish that up. And then it'll probably look brand new on there. And then the handles, they are not ripping at all. And I have seen that there are some vintage pieces where the handles around here, especially on Speedies, they tend to sort of pull out and you've got all of the stitching because it's so heavy, everything that went in there. But this looks amazing. This is so nice. Now this was expensive for a bag, but not for a vintage bag. So this one, it is £360 that I paid for this, which I think is crazy, considering that if you bought this brand new, you'd be looking at about £1,200, and the fact that vintage just lasts so much longer as well. Also the fact that this is my birth year, this is what I've been searching for. I did originally want a Speedy 25 from 1993, but it is incredibly hard to come across a Speedy 25 that's not falling apart or super expensive. But this, I'm going to be using this a lot because it's just so nice. Now I do have, like I said, another Speedy 30, but I am going to be getting rid of that one. I am going to be selling it because it is 2 years older, but it does look very different to this one. This one, even though it's only 2 years newer, it looks so different. Like, it looks so much better. I will insert a video here so you can see the difference between the two, because it is very old. Like, it looks completely different. It looks like it's really been through the ringer. I am really impressed. I am so excited with this. There's no problems with the canvas at all. There's no tears. There's no scratches. There's no discoloration, and there's no cracking as well, because I know that with a lot of the newer pieces there can be a lot of cracking that goes on with the bags. This, I'm looking at it right now and I'm proper inspecting it. There is no issue at all. So I am really happy. I can't believe I managed to get this in my birth year. I saw it, and then within, I think it was about 10 minutes of Jan showing it, I was like, I really want this. I want it for my birthday. This is my 30th birthday present. And she said, you know, just make sure that you really want it because it's not perfect condition. It's not brand new condition. And I'm like, it's fine. It's vintage. I know for a fact that you're not going to get excellent condition when it comes to vintage, especially if you're paying that price. Because if you do want ones that look immaculate, where it looks like no one's even used it, you're looking at probably about £700-800 for those. But you know what, I am so happy with this. Like, yes, it is very expensive for a bag, but for a vintage and a Louis Vuitton, and in this good condition and being 30 years old, this is incredible, and I'm so excited. And I am always going to keep this because it's always going to be a reminder to me that this was my 30th birthday present that I bought myself. And I'm so happy. I will be using this. I will get the zipper pull sorted at the store shortly. And I'm just so excited. I can't believe that I managed to get my hands on this, especially for my birthday. So this I'm so excited for, and I can't wait to start using this because it is just so beautiful. And like I said, there's not really anything that's standing out that I don't like on this bag. It is vintage. Obviously there's going to be wear and tear there, but if you do want to know all the details for Jan, who I purchased it from, then just let me know and I'll send everything over to you. I've been seeing her lives for a couple of years because my friend Shimena actually got me into really looking at her, because I think she purchased 1 or 2 bags from her, I can't remember, or she just watched her lives and she was saying how good she was, so she got me into watching her. And then now she's the only person I'll ever buy secondhand things from, because they're just so good, and I am so happy with everything I got from her. She sells those different things, and then also she does charity work as well and helps in a hometown as well, where she's from, a home country. So it's really good, and you know that sometimes when she does all of these sales and things like that, the money is going straight towards there. So she's really nice. I love everything I've purchased from her, and I am so excited that I managed to get my hands on this for my birthday. It is my birthday present, and I am so excited and I can't wait to start using it. So I hope that you enjoyed this little bit of a different video, and I hope that the lighting is going to be working out when I'm editing this, but I do apologise beforehand if this video is not looking the best. But as always, I'm not bragging about anything that I have. This is something that I've wanted for a very long time. I saved up for it, and yes, it is expensive, but it's something that I wanted to purchase for myself, and I'm so happy that I managed to do it. So I know that some people won't like these types of videos, but I enjoy watching them, and like I said again, I'm not bragging about anything that I have in this video. Now if you have any vintage pieces, or if there's anything that you want to know, or any video requests that you have, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.